Located on the scenic waterfront of the Patapsco River, MedStar Harbor Hospital is a mainstay in the South Baltimore community. First established in 1903 as a small community clinic, more than 100 years later, the 180-bed hospital has expanded in the region, now serving patients from Baltimore City and Anne Arundel, Baltimore and Howard counties. With more than 1,200 associates and 395 physicians, MedStar Harbor combines the heart and compassion of a community hospital with the advanced technology of a medical center. It's one of 10 hospitals in the MedStar Health network. From emergency and primary care to specialty and surgical options, the hospital offers a full range of services for patients from infancy through their senior years. As a committed partner to the community, MedStar Harbor provides free seminars, screenings, and outreach education, including the Healthy Schools, Healthy Families program, a unique initiative designed to improve the health and well-being of more than 1,400 students, family members, and staff at neighboring elementary and middle schools. MedStar Harbor is fully accredited by the Joint Commission with certifications in heart failure, hip replacement, knee replacement, pediatric asthma care, and spine care, and is certified as a primary stroke center. The hospital stands out among its competitors, earning the prestigious Quality Excellence Award 9 times, more than any other hospital in Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Delaware. Recognized by March of Dimes for providing the best care for mothers and their babies, MedStar Harbor is a destination birthing hospital that boasts waterfront labor and delivery and specialized care for high-risk patients. The Centers for Orthopaedics at MedStar Harbor offers first-class care for a variety of conditions and injuries. Part of MedStar Orthopaedics, the centers include arthritis and osteoporosis, joint replacement, spine, the Sports Medicine and Shoulder Center, and the MedStar National Rehabilitation Hospital, a comprehensive physical therapy program located on the campus of MedStar Harbor. Offering one of the nation's leading internal medicine residency programs, the residents at MedStar Harbor are among the best in the country, with standardized test scores in the top 7% nationwide. Through education and research, this nonprofit community teaching hospital provides the tools for its students to thrive into tomorrow's leaders in medicine.